about data. We'll talk about data. Before person go to use 7,000 to just to subscribe for a month. Now they even reach 2 days. I know they really blame people when we say they thought they know they watch Nollywood film again. I blame them. I don't blame them. Because the cost of everything is expensive. Do we talk about food stuff? Me when beside they send money to my mom. See, I know how much I send her. You tell me say my dikeh not the rich again. No, you're not a rich. It touch everybody. If you not touch, it touch me. Oh, see, make I tell you something. You know, say they go say Georgina, big in and big. See, now we guy wear. Now we guy wear.
My people, this matter don't tire pal. I like as this Nollywood actress come rant. Like this whole thing is beginning to affect actor everybody. Any Nollywood actor wey no come out, now him be say he or she no really send donor. I like as this girl just come out talk in mind. Make we hear wetin she talk. This one dey emotional. Make sure you hold your handkerchief.
Talk about the people where they work for me. At the employer of labor. People where they work for me don't double their price. The cost of production don't they double. In fact, to do production now na luxury. People where they work for me, as they double their price, I blame them. The cost of transportation alone, they choke person. The cost of food before for production to feed people per person, to feed person at 2,500, but now 6,000, 5,000 per plate times 25 people when they work for you, or 20 crew, 5 cast or 4 casts. Calculator. We talk about data, and we'll talk about data. Before person go to use 7,000 to just to subscribe for a month. Now they even reach 2 days. I know they really blame people when we say they thought they know they watch Nollywood film again. I blame them. I don't blame them. Because the cost of everything is expensive. Do we talk about food stuff? Me when beside they send money to my mom. See, I know how much I send her. You tell me say my dikeh not the rich again. No, you're not a rich. It touch everybody. If you not touch, it touch me. Oh, see, make I tell you something. You know, say they go say Georgina, big in and big. See, now we guy wear. Now we guy wear. You just say to do big and not they hungry me. I go to install here every day for wear. Now why I bad my hair now? Make a feel package. The cost of everything is expensive. I do not live above my means. I'm very contented. People will know. And now they go. Some say they lose a person big. She chop well. Now lie. Some days now lie. Do we talk about light prepaid? The hike of prepaid. Sometimes my neighbors go get light. I don't go get light. I go package on a low. I will package. It affects everybody. Person they produce film with millions of naira. If film come out now, thousands the person go they see. I don't blame people know they watch film because the cost of data too high. Make it not be like say person no go talk. Depression go keep person. Our government, the people see for developed countries, for developed countries, people know they work. They find money give them. They give them money. But for my country, both people where they work, people know they work, they suffer. We're basically asking for the basic amenities. We're not asking for too much. As in, the president is like our dad and mom, our parents, and we are the children. The children are asking you, please reduce the inflation. The hike of everything is, Jesus Christ, everything is on the high side. How person wants to leave? Nollywood actress, person they die. Film why they shoot now? Who want watch them? Because the truth of the matter is, people don't have data. How many giveaway you want to? How much you get? I know they sabi pretend that kind pretend. Government, please look into this. We're not asking for too much. We're just asking for the basic amenities. I beg. I don't know as I want to talk again. They basically said everything, but please, it affects me because I dey struggle. Nobody they give me. Every 1 naira it is from me. Nobody. The government should please listen to the cry of the people. That's all we are asking. If it doesn't affect you, it affects a relative of